All right, all right, all right. Good Friday morning. While I got your attention, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. I appreciate all the input. And I won't be trading today at 9 o'clock. I'm going to be attending to the tribal elders. So, yon yon. But let's take a look at first thing in the morning. What we do is check out what reports we're looking at. Retail sales at 8:30, import prices, everything at 8:30. So retail sales is going to have some effect on the market, pre-market. The Michigan consumer sentiment, we're expecting a little bit of a drop-off. Business inventories, watch that at 10 o'clock. I don't think anything else really is going to have too major an effect. Monday doesn't look too bad. And industrial production on Tuesday. But what's got the market? Earnings. Get Citigroup, get a whole bunch of bank earnings out tomorrow or today. And then Monday we kick it off again, Bank of America. So the banks are hitting, it's the earnings season again. So might be a little choppy. Just trade light, be cautious, stick to your rules, and take those profits. So let's have a quick look, man. Look at that bad boy. I don't know. Would you call that engulfing? I think I'd have to call that engulfing. All right, that's a major, major engulfing bar. It's kind of, it feels weird. I don't know. I mean, what's the motivation? So we close this gap. We're at this major support that I had discussed on the lowest possible trend line, this being the middle trend line. And I'm suspecting that this is the range we're going to stay in. And I think that might be what's going on. I'm a pretty smart cat, but I don't think I'm seeing things that other people aren't seeing. So I'd have to argue that that's what's transpiring. In addition, there's some noise that the street is kind of feeling this is the last of the hot numbers. They feel we got some stabilization in gold. We got inventory out there. I think it's more technical. And you have earnings, right? So a lot of people don't want to be exposed during earnings. We didn't quite get to my 3,300, but we haven't made a high either. I think we got a few weeks of a rally back. And we had said earlier in the month that normally October is a bad month, but we had a pretty bad September. And so I was feeling like the Christmas rally would start mid-October. We could be looking at that. We might be building a head and shoulders down here. How'd I get rid of my scroll line? Word. Where did I go? Here we come. Oh. All right, so let's see if we could put in. We might be building a head and shoulders here throughout the rest of September into the rest of October into November, and then a break. That's what I'm suspecting. But hey, we got to be bullish, man. With a bar like that, you got to be bullish. What's interesting to me, though, is so long term overall we're bullish. But what's interesting is the 240 and the daily coming off of resistance, keeping in a trend. And this is on the ES, on the future. I mean, the daily we can't really look at. We got to see how it plays out. But yo, you know what? This 240 closes at 5 o'clock. It's 5:12, so we got that new 240 in there. I guess we can't see it because it's behind one of the lines. Yeah, there it is. So, you know, that's kind of interesting, that retrace. You know, that's pretty aggressive. That was a pretty long move too, right? So it wouldn't surprise me to see a slight retrace. But hey, look, overall, got to be bullish on the market. And I'm saying over the next few weeks. And we're coming off this hammer, off the low. Very impressive, very impressive. Making a hammer on the weekly. If we break that next week, woo, cha, forget about it. We're moving. If that fails, we're going to take out that 3,300. So we got to take a look at that. We'll keep our eye on it. So BTC, what's it doing, man? Wake up. It's a nice hammer today. I mean, we have the rest of the day, but yo, just trade it in this channel, man. Nice and simple. Make some money. Overall, oh, did I goof? I did. Let's go back and take another look at that BTC, shall we? Okay, good. Yep, traded in the channel. Looks like it's getting ready to move. Oil, overall bullish on oil. Just watch for a double top. Maybe we'll get a double top. But right now I'm bullish. Actually, bullish pending a failure of this flag that just triggered on the daily today. So it breaks below 85.59. That bullish sentiment is going to turn bearish. RBOB, feeling the same thing, bullish on it. Just keep an eye open for a double top. We'll look at that. If it does create a double top, then we're bearish below that 259. I'm just not feeling bearish on that. Nat gas looks like it's putting in a bottom here, and we're getting a divergence. So away she goes. Bonds. Yeah, look for a bounce on bonds, breaking that high of 16.30 seconds, 25 and 16.30 seconds. Might even look at 13. Gold looks like a trend reversal. Right now I'll be neutral. I'm going bullish pending a break of this high. I'd be bearish breaking the low. And that's about that. Not more much more I could say. So have a good weekend, and I'll see you guys Monday.